Are you looking for some ideas on how to upgrade your backyard on a budget? Well, in today's episode, I'll give you 7 ideas on how to improve the value and overall atmosphere of your living space. Hey everybody, I'm Janice with Jaqua Realtors in the greater Kalamazoo area of Southwest Michigan, and I'm your local real estate advisor. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell button so that you don't miss out on videos that I post like this each week. It's that time of year again, and we can finally step outside and enjoy the fresh air. So if you're looking to make some tasteful yet affordable upgrades to your outdoor living space to increase the value of your home, you've come to the right spot. So whether you're considering selling now, later, or maybe not at all, these 7 ideas will surely improve the overall atmosphere and value of your backyard on a budget. Number 1, put in a patio or outdoor seating area. If you don't already have a patio, consider investing in one because they're highly desirable. If you already have a patio, an outdoor seating area is essential to this upgrade. By simply adding comfortable seating and a table, you can create a perfect area for entertainment. Number 2, focus on landscaping. Increasing the appeal of your backyard can be as simple as cleaning up your existing landscaping and adding a couple of finishing touches. Trim your trees, pull out dead bushes, look for areas that might need some repair. Maybe plant a low-maintenance garden or add some shrubs or mulch to reflect the overall upkeep and condition of your home. Number 3, fire pits. Who doesn't love making s'mores? A fire pit will complete your outdoor living space by creating a flair and a sense of community right in your backyard. Fire pits are affordable improvement projects, and they provide an awesome place for family and friends to gather. Fire pits also increase your yard's attractiveness as well as your home value. Number 4, outdoor grill and bar. The majority of people have already invested in a grill because of the key role it plays in the summertime. So if you haven't, the time is now. Adding an outdoor grill and a bar will significantly boost your ability to entertain and contribute to the attractive backyard that you have. Number 5, increase lighting. Landscape lighting or outdoor lighting can be easy to install, but another popular route to enhance patio lighting is to string lights and lanterns. Consider all of your options before investing and think about how to accent the best parts of your yard. This creates an intimate tone for your social gatherings. Number 6, update your paint. It's important for your interior painting job to be up to date and well kept, but how about your exterior? Keeping your outdoor area fresh with a coat of paint is an advantage when it comes to keeping up aesthetics. You don't have to paint the whole house, but maybe consider touching up some small areas. Number 7, add a pergola or other shade. Pergolas are beautiful additions to backyards because it will effectively give you more living space. Installing one over your existing patio or deck provides several benefits, including better shade, as well as opportunities for more greenery and lighting. Upgrading your backyard to increase its overall value can be hard work, but it's well worth it. From simple things like increasing your lighting and working on your lawn to adding a patio and outdoor seating area, all of these will help when you want to update or sell your home. So let me know if these tips were helpful in the comments below. You can always find me on social media at Janice Realtor or on my website at MichiganHomegirl.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.